Hello, everyone. Today, we are introducing the application of the fiber laser marking machine in jewelry processing. Firstly, it requires no maintenance, has a compact design, and boasts a long lifespan of up to 100,000 hours. Secondly, it boasts an incredibly high marking speed and precision. No matter how complex the design, it can swiftly and accurately bring it to life. Furthermore, when using this machine, you don't have to worry about noise, pollution, or consumables. It's extremely eco-friendly. Most importantly, it is suitable for jewelry marking, creating dazzling effects, and offering convenient operation for the jewelry industry. Ring Rotary Fixture, designed specifically for rings. The uniqueness of this fixture lies in its ability to easily achieve precise marking on both the surface and inside of rings. This means that every single ring can radiate with individuality and unique design. Cutting clamp, designed for securing metals during cutting. The cutting clamp's distinctive feature is its ability to assist the fiber laser marking machine in accurately cutting various shapes in gold and silver materials, resulting in high-quality cutting effects. Let every piece shine with its unique brilliance. Finally, let's admire some stunning samples, all created using the fiber laser marking machine. Whether you are a jewelry designer or a craftsman, this machine will be your creative partner.